dealing with the body of course, or you dealing with the boss.
Is there?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Okay, what's up, y'all? It's Kim Rock here. If you've been here before, then you already know what it is or what's up. And if it's your first time, it's a vibe and subscribe. Y'all, as you see, this is gonna be a hair video. I trimmed my hair, blew it out, just to give it some TLC. I am not a professional, but I know what I'm doing, okay? So yeah, this is what it's giving. And make sure y'all like this video. Make sure you give this video a big fat juicy thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and comment down below any suggestions or tips on how to trim your hair even better than this. What y'all think? Do you think this is a good job, a bad job? And yeah, keep watching to see how we did this. Bye. Okay, let's go. So you're gonna need scissors, the wide tooth comb, and your water. Make sure your hair is in 4 sections, and you want to make sure that your hair is combed out really thoroughly before you apply some water. So I applied just a little bit of water just to get my hair a little wet, and then you're gonna hold the ends tightly and just go up and down with the blow dryer. I don't use the combs, like this is just how I do it, and it blow dries it pretty straight. And I'm gonna repeat these for each section. And then after focusing, because since my hair is like a little longer, focus at the roots and then go towards the ends. And if you want to know how to get a more detailed instructions on how to blow dry your hair really well, I have another video, check it out right there. But yeah, and that's basically it. Honestly, it took me like 10-15 minutes to blow dry my entire head, which was really good. So shout out to that blow dryer. And yeah.
And then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Bad man, she love. Shake it to the max. Bad man, she love. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Your pussy fat inna your shot.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Yeah. Make you come first, coulda never take a last. Yeah. Like a ball, pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me, fuck it. Girl, you make it cocky brad. Original girl, some of them are the knockoff.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Caribbean girl, me know for tick, me know for top. Yeah, man, I watch my body like say them I watch a match. Yeah, anything him say them girl, I do it like it's tax. But make my own money like the girls in movie trap. Classy, real bad girl, ma get nasty. I do whatever I want just because I'm bossy. Yes, I'm the one in charge. Never get my booms and him still fall in love. Yeah, and not anybody can touch this. Baby, I am not a hoe. Rice and peas, body hotter than jollof. I feel big at taste anyway, you see my pass.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Don't got to fear, number one in command. I came just to kill, me ain't too militant. They won't figure eights, but I don't need a man. So they love how me whine, and me true religion. You dealing with the body, of course. Oh, you dealing with the boss. If we break up, yeah, you know that it's a loss. Upgraded every dude I ever tossed. Said he want me back, he can't touch this. Baby, I already leveled up. You looking for love, and I'm looking for your love. Baby, you can handle all the sauce.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Express. Alright, so let's do the big reveal. I'm just gonna clean my hairs real quick. Yeah, I had to get cut. I had to get rid of the old so new can come in and grow. And then this side. Oh, hold on. So yeah, I would say my hair is a mixture between fine and coarse / thick. So yeah, this is what it's giving. I'm gonna do a length check again to see. It definitely is shorter, obviously, because I cut it, but I want to see how much I cut. It's probably gonna be like a couple of. It's not much. I don't think it was much. Okay. Like, see all of this? Yeah. Just cut that. These extra ends. Now. Okay, that's it. Let's put this bad boy in a ponytail and stay tuned for the next video so you can see what hairstyle I'm doing next. Bye y'all.